The entire belief that men have nowadays when it comes to women is wrong. In fact, many men ask themselves why more often than they get lucky. The reason for this is that things might be going well, and suddenly she stops texting, doesn't answer the phone, and every text message simply gets ignored. This is a modern problem that most men face, and it has nothing to do with women being bad people, but rather you're not understanding exactly what it is women want. How great would it be to once again have those back and forth conversations, flirting and having her eagerly await your next message? Well, this is still possible, but only if you understand some of the most powerful weaknesses that you can use against women. You see, men believe they simply need to exist, and some are unwilling to put in the effort required when it comes to the female mind. However, today we unveil 7 powerful weaknesses that men hardly ever notice they can use to make women stop ignoring them. But first, we need to find out why you're ghosted in the first place. Why women ignore men. As mentioned in many of our previous videos, women tend to easily ghost a man. One minute she seems interested, and the next, she simply disappears, and you don't have any clue as to why. But if you sit back and reflect a little, you'll notice where things went wrong and why she's been ignoring you. But let's back up a little. You see, the advent of social media and dating platforms has connected the world more significantly. Now, a woman living in a small town, Candy, Minnesota, can easily connect with a man who's based in Los Angeles. This means that she's willing to ignore the best men locally, perhaps seeking the Instagram guy from California. When it comes to being ignored by women, there are often a couple reasons. The first is that she never really had any interest in you, and you were merely a placeholder for someone better to come along. The second reason is that you've probably messed up, and now she wants some space. If it happens to be the first reason, you cannot do anything aside from respecting her wishes. It's important in these situations that you let it play out and don't make the mistakes that will eventually get her to block you as well. However, men who fall victim to mistakes often become very needy. You see, the man approaches the woman and there's some kind of connection. However, you then begin to frequently text her and get her out on dates. The chances of her rejecting your date invitations are often high. But even after rejection, these men still try to push her into a date. Women react badly to these types of things, and this is where they'll naturally ignore you. But here's a little secret you probably already know. If a woman happens to ignore you, the likelihood of her attention being occupied by someone else is more than 80%. Women are social creatures, and they desire or crave a man who will constantly want to talk and praise her. So, when she's ignoring you, there's probably someone else. The great thing is that there are a couple of powerful weaknesses most women have that can work in your favor here. Number 1, looks matter. The first reality you need to come to grips with is that of looks. You see, looks do matter when you communicate with women, and the more attractive you are, the more likely she is to respond. In fact, attractive men have a far better success rate when sliding into someone's DMs when compared to someone unattractive. You see, social media has become the norm for people to talk to one another. This means that the only true thing a woman has when it comes to judging if you're someone she wants to talk to is how you look. It takes time for two people to get to know one another and start a solid conversation where you get to know someone. By focusing on improving how you look, you'll automatically notice that women are far more responsive. In fact, experiments done in the field of psychology have shown that even your ex will be more likely to respond when you look much better and seem attractive. There are 2 ways in which you can make yourself more attractive. The first method is traditional, and it involves putting in some effort in the gym. You see, working out and following a healthy diet will naturally help you shape your body and burn fat. Since a strong jawline is one of the first things women look at, this method will be incredible to help you get women more engaged, especially when it comes to conversations. Secondly, most relationships start online nowadays, with apps like Tinder and Hinge creating a visual way for people to see if they like someone. Whilst you might not be naturally attractive, like most of us men, you can use better angled photos or even have a professional take a few great photos of you that accentuate your best traits. These will naturally allow you to look much more attractive on your profile, and whether you want to believe this or not, it works. In fact, this gives you a buffer zone before meeting her where she can get to know you better. Keep in mind that we're not talking about using fake images, but rather just much better quality images of you. Number 2, approaching with confidence. One thing you need to understand is that aside from your initial pickup line, the first conversation you have, whether this is in person or via text, is how she'll remember you. They say first impressions last, and this is one of the most important things you need to keep note of, as your first impression will be hard to change later on. One of the surefire ways to make a woman like you and want to continue talking is by showing confidence. You see, confidence will show a woman that you don't have any real insecurities and you feel comfortable in your own skin. Additionally, confidence tends to stem from something. This can be the way you look, something you've accomplished, or even your job title. When you show confidence, she immediately thinks that this guy might actually have something to offer. It also means that she can allow you to take the lead in the interactions. Confidence by itself does take a while to develop, and you'll naturally need to make sure that you can actually back this up. One of the best ways to develop real confidence is to be willing to endure rejection. Much like any other form of overstimulation, being rejected often will eventually lead to you being desensitized to it, and this can allow natural confidence to arise. To show your confidence via text messaging, you want to keep the conversational tone positive. This means making jokes and also talking about the good things in life. Unfortunately, too many men want a woman to unpack all her baggage, and this will get you sent directly to the friend zone. Number 3, being goofy. The world's already filled with tons of misery. In fact, political instability and wars across the world have cast a dark cloud over the world, and this is why being goofy is one of the best ways to keep yourself from being ignored. Being goofy means that you're willing to engage in some humor, which means making jokes or even some of those subtle yet funny insults that get both parties laughing. Teasing is also one of the best ways to show you're a little goofy. We'd also like to mention that being random is a powerful way to keep a woman interested and away from becoming bored. Whenever you send a text message, you need to stop and ask yourself what the desired reaction you're looking for. Yes, occasionally you might just seek information, but you need to understand the emotions you're creating. You must consider the reaction she'll have when reading your message. In fact, if you can't figure out what her reaction will be, it's much better not to send anything. In most cases, no reaction is better than her being indifferent to what you send. By being a little goofy, you tend to elicit some positive or happy emotions that often work much better to create attraction. Number 4, not responding. Being unavailable. Another reason for women often ignoring men is simply because they're too available. In fact, men tend to have such a scarcity when it comes to the attention of a woman that they'll constantly bombard her with messages. As mentioned previously, this makes a woman react a little indifferent to whatever it is that you're doing, and it will eventually lead to her not having anything to say. What happens next is that men try to push this even more, where they then continue to text a woman, but she'll simply keep on ignoring him. One of the most powerful secrets to always keep a woman receptive to what you want to say is to keep your responses limited and to seem like you actually have things going on in your life. If she's the only thing that's important to you, she'll quickly pick up on this and begin to ignore you to test you. Not responding after a great conversational burst will show a woman that she's not the most important thing in your life. This creates more attraction, as women always want to work to become the most important thing. She'll also be happy to actually receive a text message from you, instead of just wondering what she has to do now. For this tip, we would recommend that you limit your conversations with women to a level where they're actually waiting for you to respond. Occasionally, you can skip a day and simply say you were busy or that something popped up. This slight form of rejection will significantly increase the level of attraction and make her eagerly await your next text. Number 5, canceling plans. Much like the previous one, men are often too afraid of canceling plans with a woman when something pops up. You see, some men out here would rather cancel something with friends or family to make sure that a woman's happy. And eventually, this turns into an addiction where your life becomes dependent on her. Since women are often the people who reject men, it'll be rather surprising when you decide to choose to cancel plans. She might react in a variety of ways, and this can also be used for you to test if she's the right kind of woman for you. Now, we don't recommend making it obvious that you're canceling plans or even turning it into a game. You see, these games are not played well by men, and you will lose. It's best to be a normal person who has a schedule, and if something doesn't fit within your schedule, she needs to understand. Ultimately, this shows a woman that you're busy, and you have something going on outside of this relationship. Women usually want men to bring them into their circles, and this shows that you also have other people who like you. We don't recommend using other women to make a woman jealous. However, if you happen to have female friends, it's a bonus, and it shows that you have experience when it comes to talking to women and having them in your life. Yes, women always want to make sure that a man has some relationship experience and that he can effectively communicate with women. Number 6, being stoic. The word stoicism is often thrown around by men and influencers. In fact, many people have forced this down the throats of modern men without even explaining the context. You see, stoicism is a powerful tool and women naturally gravitate toward it, but men tend to use it wrong. Stoicism doesn't involve simply just ignoring a woman, but rather focusing on being a cordial gentleman. You should naturally treat a woman the right way, but you should refrain from showing any of your own weaknesses. This is the true essence of stoicism as set out by the great Marcus Aurelius. Being stoic to women when they ignore you means that you have to understand when to talk and when not to respond. If she's ignoring you for a couple days, never send another text message unless she eventually responds. You'll find that many relationships or interactions you have will die down, but this will also yield long-term benefits. You see, since most men are pathetic in how they deal with such rejection, they keep on sending message after message and begin to show emotional weakness. However, the stoic man understands that women will test him, but also that there's absolutely no reason for him to show any reaction to these kinds of things. We recommend checking on some of our other videos to help you understand the true essence of stoicism and to help you see what you can do to improve yourself when it comes to interacting with women. Number 7, combining all these tips to create sexual tension. If you're an avid follower of this channel, you might have noticed that sexual tension is the number one thing when it comes to creating attraction between men and women. You see, sexual tension is that feeling you have that you want to sleep with someone to break the ice. It's often something that arises through teasing and having fun together. Once you manage to create sexual tension, you'll find that women respond extremely well. You see, women don't have the same self-control as men, and when they want to sleep with someone, they'll continue to talk to them until they've completed their goal. The great thing about modern communication techniques is that it is much easier to create sexual tension between two people. You can tease her via text messaging and even try to allow the conversation into such a direction. However, the aim is to never break the tension, and you need to know when to pull back. Yes, this might seem like a game, but when two people truly like each other, these things tend to happen naturally. You can look back at some of your previous relationships and find where sexual tension has led to relationships. We've created an entire video on sexual tension that we recommend you watch. Being ignored by a woman is not something any man wishes to experience, but at some point in your life, it's something that will just happen. Using these powerful tips is a sure way to ensure that you come out as a better person at the end of it.